Hello. Today, basically, we'll be talking about the biggest question that each and every fresher asks. Sir, which channel to follow, which newspaper to read, and which news anchor to follow? Whom should we follow? This is the basic question that every fresh aspirant asks. And trust me, even the old aspirants, they don't know. Now, before going to that, I will talk about the news anchor. Now, obviously, we have the most famous channel in India. We call it the Republic TV, run by our famous anchor Arnab Goswami. Now, remember that there is another also a news channel. It's called as the Rajya Sabha TV, where there is an anchor called Frank Roshan Pereira. Now, Pereira is not so famous, but Pereira is not so famous because Pereira is logical. Arnab is very famous because Arnab is Arnab. I will not say anything about it. But Frank Roshan Pereira is a logical person. He gives a logical argument. You can gain knowledge out of it. And that is what is necessary for a civil servant. Those preparing for the civil service, following Arnab Goswami over Republic channel, sir, you are doing nothing, you are gaining zero knowledge and gaining 100% jingoism, negativity, etc. But those who are watching Frank's show or the Frank's big picture, basically you are doing nothing but you're gaining pure knowledge that is necessary. The pure knowledge is necessary for your whole life. Remember that. And remember this. Try to be positive. If those you are watching Frank's show, this is a quite of a positive show. And those who are watching Arnab's show, it's quite of a negative show. Basically, I would say is that you do not get anything out of Arnab show other than people screaming and screeching at each other. Whereas in the Frank show, you really get something. At least we can have a basic knowledge of what they are saying. We can have and build up our own opinion. It's not just helpful for the mains, but it is also helpful for your interview. Remember this. Every day in the Frank show, we have the foreign diplomats. We have each and every person of the renowned knowledge. They come over here and they share their opinion in a very positive manner. In Frank show, also you can have the positive sides of any subject and the negative sides of any subject. But in Arnav show, you are going to only have a negative side, positive side. We do not get it, and that's the very reason that I would suggest that please watch Frank's show of the Rajya Sabha TV, the big picture. That would help you a lot. This is number one. And even remember that watching Frank's show, you can gain a good knowledge of English. Those who are saying that they are poor in English or spoken English or written English, I would suggest that watch Frank's show because Frank's English is quite better. It's quite slow for you to understand. Next. Similarly, Navika Kumar can be replaced with Kirti Mishra. Now, Kirti Mishra makes in-depth analysis in the again none other than your Rajya Sabha TV itself. She has made some of the videos of the in-depth analysis. This is one of the best video other than Kirti Mishra. There are also others. Now again, I would suggest please replace with Navika Kumar with Kirti Mishra. She is the most logical news anchor you have ever known. Next, again, we have the category of Barkha Dutt. Now Barkha Dutt is the category who criticizes the government. Now remember that in a democracy you are allowed to criticize. But remember that as a civil servant we need to look into the positive and the negative aspect. We cannot do only with the negative aspect. The positivity, there must be some form of positivity and you need to know that about. Next, we have your N. Ram. Now N. Ram, he is the editor of the Hindu newspaper. Now N. Ram gives positive opinions and negative opinions. Remember that of this we have to take N. Ram's only positive opinion out of it and take down the way forward that N. Ram suggests. Negative opinion, it's difficult for us to take up, and negative opinion are mostly political in nature, which we do not need. We do not need politics. We are administrators. We are there to administer. We are not there to do politics. Remember that those reading newspaper, the Hindu, take the positive aspect of the N. Ram and look into the way forward that N. Ram suggests. and as well as the Hindu newspaper. Next, again we have two of the most my favorite the expert analysis on the foreign affairs. This is Suhasini Haidar, S. Haidar, and this is C. Rajamohana. Suhasini Haidar's, you can basically get the articles in Hindu itself. C. Rajmohana also writes in the Hindu sometimes, and mostly he writes in the Indian Express. His articles on the international relations are something optimistic. It has given me a whole lot of knowledge. Anything that I have ever gained out of the IR is because of C. Rajmohana. His articles are beautiful. Now, you can ask that, sir, should we purchase Hindu, should we purchase Internet Express? I would say, sir and madam, you have something called internet, please go through it, or you can simply follow them on the Twitter. This also you can do, so that they have the any latest information or any latest article, you can get a link about it. Next, remember, this is the three things that I would like to say. That first, remember that whenever we are building up the opinion, let's first listen to the government. As a civil servant, remember one thing: the government, we stand for the government. Even if we are aspirants, we need to stand in favor of the government first. Then we will look into the what is the problem over there. Next, look into their view, what the government is trying to say. Is there any problem that the government is trying to highlight? Is there anything good that the government is trying to highlight? Now remember that. Next, build your opinion in an optimistic manner. Remember that we cannot be leftist, we cannot be rightist, we can only be logical. And this is logic that we should follow. And remember that if you want to follow the Yojana and Kurukshetra, most of them were asking, I would rather suggest please follow the IK gist. The IK gist is nothing that of the IS Baba. The IS Baba, they give the IK gist, it is nothing but your YK gist, sorry, it's your YK gist, that is nothing but your Yojana and Kurukshetra, all made in one place. I hope with this you are quite clear what to do, what not to do with respect to the news. And for anything else, I have already uploaded my video. You can also watch that. Thank you.